Happy Monday morning, March 30th.
Hello.
Hello. How are you today?
Good.
So Kinley's good. Kinley, tell us a joke.
Mm, Um, what did a monkey cross the road?
Why?
Because the monkey went to the trash can.
Yep, he was in the trash can. All right, every Monday we have our Monday Fun Day, so enjoy. Ow. This is why we don't like Snowmobile. Whoa. Whoa. What do you think's gonna happen?
I don't know. He's gonna jump it. No, he's
Oh
gonna
no.
fall.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Hang on. Hang on, Olaf. No. No humans were harmed in making that video. All right, moving on for the day. All right, big things for this morning. You guys should have received an email. Please check to see that you have that email. If you didn't get an email, you also have it in Seesaw as well. In your email, follow the instructions. There's a video from me that I sent up on top in this link right here. The second
Hi.
link is right here. That one's from Miss Mickelson. Please watch both of those videos so you have an understanding of what to complete today, and then follow these next steps. So step one, we talked about the video. Step two, check in on Seesaw. You should be getting this video in there as well. Step three, look over the schedules. You'll see some schedules down below. Go ahead and click into those links. One is an attendance form. You can fill out this form as well. It should be in your email from Miss Quell. Go ahead and fill that attendance form out this morning right away. And then we'll see you at 9:15 on this link right here on Google Meet. Go ahead and click into that about 9:15 and we'll talk then. Have a good day.